Hello, I'm Xander. Welcome to this Django ORM query challenge. Now you can follow along with these challenges like a Django ORM workshop or tutorial if you're just getting started out, or use it to test your current Django query skills. You can find the source code and the setup instructions for all of our challenges linked in the video description. Next up, challenge 2.11. In this challenge, our goal is to return the 20th most expensive product. So take a moment to try this yourself, pause the video here, and if or when you're ready, I'll walk you through the solution step by step. All right, so in a previous challenge, we have used slicing. We have learned how to select, for example, the 10 most expensive products. So we just need to work along that type of thinking and prepare a solution to select the 20th most expensive product. So let's start by creating our product variable, products. We're going to be working with the product table, so let's start there. We're going to need our manager, of course. Right, so let's start by ordering. So order by. So let's order by the price. Now we know that that's going to be ascending. So we're going to need to order this. I think it's going to be easier to order this descending. Let's start off so we know that the first product is the most expensive, and then we can skip 20 positions to get to the 20th most expensive product. So let's order by descending. So in my mind now, we have all these products returned, and they are in descending order based upon the price field. So from the most expensive to the least expensive. So now we need to select the 20th most expensive product. So for that, we're going to use slicing again. And what we need to remember here is that slicing, or the slicing index, starts at 0 and not 1. So we're going to start from 19, position 19, and we're going to then finish in position 20, and that's going to allow us to select the 20th item. So here we get the item starting at index 19 and then stop before 20. Now remember, we start at 0, so the 19th position in the products that is returned is actually the 20th product, not the 19th product, because remember we start from 0. So we calculate and start from 0. So 0 to 19 is 20 positions. Okay, so let's head over to documentation. Let's take a look at the challenge 2.11. Try this out, execute, and we return just the one product. That, of course, is expected, just the one product, because we want to find the 20th most expensive product, and it looks like this is it. Now, at this point, we don't actually know which product is the 20th most expensive without analyzing the data, but what we can, of course, do is just double check the SQL that's generated. So back in our app container, let's go ahead and clear the terminal, run the query again. That should then return the query that we've generated, and you can see here that the query specifies a limit of 1, so we're only returning one product in this case, and it has an offset of 19, which we know that should be the 20th product selected. Now, if you're looking for more challenges like this one, then do check out our Django ORM Query Freeview YouTube playlist. Now, if you're ready to master all the skills behind these queries, then do take a look at our Django ORM Mastery course. It's designed to take you from the ground up. Now, all the links to the playlist and course is in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways.